Hey guys, let's talk about Medium portfolio pages. Imagine this. You've been writing on Medium for a long time, and somebody randomly asks you, what did you actually achieve on this platform over these years? Do you have a good enough answer to this question? Maybe he is a potential client of yours or just a close friend. You've been writing on Medium day in and day out, but you lost the count of how many articles you've published and in how many publications. You might have gathered more than 1 million views, which are increasing day by day, but you just don't know it. The number of reads, claps, and comments, these are the solid figures that show your credibility as a writer. Your stats showcase your incredible work and help you build trust with others. You could keep a record of your numbers by yourself and make a nice little resume, but the hassle of maintaining it and updating it regularly just not worth it. And how would you make the other person trust that these figures are correct? And why would they trust you? Let's say they ask you to send them your top articles. Do you know at the moment which one of your articles are the best of the best? Not by your intuition, silly. By the numbers. Which article of yours have the most views or reads? Which article has the most claps or comments? And what's the second best article or the third best? If you're a freelance writer, answers to these questions could have helped you to close that deal. The reason why you don't keep the record of your stats is because they're ever-changing and ever-increasing. You can make a portfolio page by yourself, but that would be static. You'll have to manually change it every time you send it to somebody. And if you happen to publish a viral article tomorrow, all your stats will be off by a huge margin. What you actually need is a dynamic portfolio page that displays all your latest stats all the time. A kind of a resume that you can share with your clients, audience, or friends without having to make any edits beforehand. To tackle all these problems, we're introducing Medium portfolio pages. Yeah, no more living in the ignorance. You can look at your entire Medium journey in a single glance, and you can view it tomorrow or day after tomorrow or after a year. All your articles, all your numbers, and all your stats will be synced up. Totally fresh and accurate. You won't have to explain to your future clients why should they hire you. You can just send them your Medium portfolio page, and they'll instantly know your worth and see your past achievements. They can go through your top articles and decide whether you're a good fit for them or not. Your Medium portfolio page can help establish your credibility as a writer. It can give you insights about your own work and provide a proven track record that you can showcase to the world. It sounds amazing, isn't it? So what do these portfolio pages actually look like? Let's see. All portfolio pages are hosted at mymedium.info. Let's open up the portfolio page of our friend Ananksha. She is a pretty famous writer on Medium. In the profile card, you can see her name, her followers and following, her Twitter handle, a link where she accepts tips, and tags where she is the top writer. You can share her profile on LinkedIn or Twitter, or copy the link to her page. In her stats, you can see that she has been writing for more than 9 years and published 916 articles, while maintaining the read ratio of 35.48%. She has also published 2 books named What Did Tashi Do? And Stolen Reflections. You should definitely check out the link to her book. Moving on to the publications section. We can see that Ananksha writes in over 80 publications. That's quite a lot. And you can see the entire list here. She is also the editor of 8 publications. Books are our superpower is my favorite. Now let's look at her top articles, shall we? You can view Ananksha's best articles in the descending order of the number of views, reads, claps, and comments. A neat way of showcasing her incredible work, isn't it? Moreover, this portfolio page also includes some cool charts and graphs that can give you helpful insights into your work. I almost forgot to tell you. There is a hidden gem under your profile card. We have implemented a powerful search functionality that you can use to explore and filter last 1,000 articles of the writer. Ananksha has written over 900 articles. We can select the topics we're interested in to filter through her massive portfolio. I'm more of a technology and startup guy, so I'm selecting those topics for now. Let's throw in some self-help and psychology as well for fun. We've selected 11 topics. I think that should be enough. Nice. There are total 395 articles. But I want to go deeper. I wonder how many of these articles include the word entrepreneur in their title or subtitle. 7 articles. I see. Let's scroll down. This one seems interesting. And here you go. This search functionality will be super useful for your potential clients who want to look at your work before giving you the contract. I hope I convinced you to check out these portfolio pages. If you're a Medium writer, we can showcase the data that'll justify your worth.